Okay, this is the thin ice cheat, and it's going to show you how to get like a ton of money bags on level 19, the final level. So what you do is you go to the third to the top, like ice block, over to the right, and you'll actually run into it. And then go 4 in, and then 3 down, including the one that you started on. And then 2 to the left, and then 4 down, and then go down 3, and then move 1 over, and then go down 2, move 1 over, and then go down 2. And then you'll see there's some money bags right there. There's a ton, really. And so yeah, and then you gotta go like that to get around. And that is the cheat for getting a ton of money bags. So yeah, and there you go.